Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Firestick TV. While Fortnite isn't directly available in the Amazon App Store, you can still get it running on your device with a few simple steps. We'll cover everything from preparing your Firestick to installing the game and getting started with gameplay. This process involves sideloading the application, which is a common method for installing apps not found in the official store. Get ready to jump into the action. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything ready. First, check your Firestick storage. You'll need at least 8 GB free for the game. Next, navigate to your Firestick settings, go to My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and enable apps from unknown sources. This allows for sideloading. Finally, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a compatible Bluetooth controller, as touch controls are not an option here. Now, let's get Fortnite onto your Firestick. Begin by installing the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open Downloader and enter the official Epic Games website URL to find the Fortnite Android APK. Download the latest version of the APK file. After the download completes, Downloader will prompt you to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This is how you bypass the official App Store. With Fortnite installed, it's time to play. First, ensure your Bluetooth controller is successfully paired with your Firestick. Then, navigate to your Firestick's app library and launch Fortnite. You'll need to log in with your existing Epic Games account. Keep in mind that performance might vary depending on your Firestick model and internet speed. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset for a smoother experience. Enjoy battling it out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.